Welcome to 1815 Horseshoe Drive, Unit B. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, first floor apartment home located near I-77 and I-20, convenient to Fort Jackson and Richland 2 schools as well. So out front, you can see there is shared parking, communal parking out in the front, and the unit itself is on the first level. So you have a covered front entry here. We'll take a look inside. So there's vinyl flooring as you enter, and then carpet throughout the rest except for the kitchen and bathrooms. To the left, you have a coat closet off the foyer. And then you have a nice sized living room, window facing the front of the unit. And on the back wall, you have some built-in recessed shelving. There is space for a television or sort of media equipment if your television still fits in that opening, and also some shelving to the right and left side, and also a small sort of desk area that you can slide a chair underneath for some workspace as well. And you also have a kitchen here on the left with an eat-in dining area. It's open to the galley-style kitchen, which has an included refrigerator, above range microwave, electric stove and oven, and dishwasher, as well as an included washer and dryer on the right side. And then straight ahead, there is a pantry and access to the shared backspace as well. So you have a covered patio or covered porch on the back. You can see there's some shared space here. There are some storage units or a storage building back there. Please inquire with the office before renting or applying as to whether or not any of that is available with the unit. And back inside, we'll go across the living room to the bedrooms and baths. So back left, sort of on the back right, I guess, of the building or the unit is the master. Just a nice size. You have a walk-in closet here. It has some laminate vinyl plank flooring. And then a bathroom, full bathroom, single sink, medicine cabinet against the wall, and then you have a shower. And then off the hall, second bathroom, that same flooring as in the master closet. You have a single vanity and some built-in shelving along the wall there, as well as a shower and tub. Another linen closet off this hall. And then last but not least, your second bedroom, which faces the front of the building. And the closet is in the back corner here. You can see there's some sort of built-in shelving in there, which gives you a little bit extra hanging and vertical storage space as well, or horizontal storage space rather. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, this is 1815 Horseshoe Drive, Unit B in Northeast Columbia. You can find out more information by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com.